The 2024 ISPE Aseptic Conference is going to be a can't-miss event.
We're coming to Vienna, Austria, and it's the first time that we'll be there, so we'll use that to showcase, for example, the Austrian pharma industry.
Because of the amazing speakers that we have. We're talking about current technologies, we're talking about future technologies, and we're talking about how to really bridge that gap going into the future.
We will have a regulatory panel, and of course we'll be discussing the Annex 1 implications of how it needs to be implemented, and then we'll also see the discussion and interpretation issues.
The Aseptic Conference is really that world-class technical conference. Details that we talk about in the conference are all tied to regulatory problems, they're tied to regulatory solutions, they're tied to technical issues that we're all dealing with, and they work to drive us into the future and really put some dreams into the industry of what needs to change and why it needs to change. So as the chair of the 2024 ISPE Aseptic Conference, I invite you to join me to really learn about where the industry is going.